Tikman mo,
Halina kayo, tikman nyo, masarap ito.
tikman mo, oh, masarap yan, balik-balikan mo. Yan ang to, walang halong biro. Tikman mo, oh, masarap yan, balik-balikan mo. Yan ang to, walang halong biro. Sige na tikman, sabi ko sa iyo. Hanapin mo, walang halong biro. Totoy ko.
That song was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality. This song is brought to you by di kalidad at abot kahit gamot, ipilit at iin. Basta, right men. Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
This song is brought to you by Skilan. Enjoy kinabuhi kung nag-buy sa agay with Skilan. Labaw ang kaepektibuhan para sa agay, iyang pa sa heart at bulsa.
This song is brought to you by B-Man Premium. Kitang-kita ang galing. This song is brought to you by iBerry. This song is brought to you by Decongest. Decongest with Decongest with maximum decongesting action. Information, fun, music, Wagwan's best music station. IFM 91.3. Si Coffee at si Washing Machine. Believe sa Pride Washing Machine detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy.
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libar.
Kanya yan ang Pride Washing Machine detergent. Ang triple stain formula. Ang garapapit, maligid, at malpit na lumiplansa. Easy ang wala.
Wala na po, hanggang ngayon!
Pride detergent manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality. Bago-bago na naman ang paghahanap.
Hey, Mrs. Maha! For me, ang keratin dapat may plus. Sunflower oil plus rosemary oil sa Keratin Plus Go with regular use. Ang ganda-ganda na din. Ang ganda-ganda plus. Keratin Plus. Ang keratin na may plus.
Ako si Jim Manica, broadcast journalist at news anchor sa NX Capsule. Dito ko buli.
Magandang paalala ng NXT Capsule dito at ang mga pagkakagawa sa iyong pinansyaki.
Be an extraordinary with MX3. Dapat sinusunod, may pulito ang cancer. Ikasabi na ng mga laman na nilalakihan. Pag-inom sa superfibers na
Most doctor prescribe sa lagnat. Basta lagnat, huwag nang magdalawang isip.
Alagang Unilag yan. Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogestic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.